How am I supposed to get anything done with this little sweetness right here? How am I supposed to get anything done with this little bit of sweetness right here? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. This is Dutterstein, Dutter's cat, Catterstein. Say hello. Look up here with your cute face. Isn't he so handsome? This cat will slow blink into your soul until you fall in love. He has the power and he has these eyes that will make you fall in love whether you want to or not. So don't look too long because you can't have him because he's mine. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my favorite one of every single month. And I'm sorry if you can hear my neighbors talking at full volume right outside of my window, but apparently that's how we conduct ourselves in this town. So but anyways, I'm sure you have gathered from the title and the thumbnail that this video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. My Boxycharm video is my favorite video of the month, of any given month. This is my favorite video to film because it's like Christmas once a month and I'm here for that and I really like it. And for any of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service. For each month they take $21 to $23 from your account. I'm still trying to figure that out. And you get this box sent to wherever you would like it, and it comes with 4 to 5 full-size products for you to test and try and love. And I will link Boxycharm down below in case you're interested in signing up. But I bet if you're watching this video, you've already signed up. So let's move on. Before we get started, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. I am doing a giveaway right now, which I will link above there, and you will have to be subscribed to enter. I need this, don't I? But yeah, you will have to be subscribed to enter my giveaway, so make sure to do that and check out that video so you can find out everything about the giveaway and what the item is, and I think it's a pretty good one, if I do say so myself. And I do say so myself, so. And of course, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Twitter and the makeup Instagram are both Bratterstein, like my namesake here. And if you're interested in fitness stuff, because I do Fitness Fridays and I work out and I've lost 90 pounds so far, it is Fatterstein to see that content. Okay, and I think it's time we just go ahead and get into this video, see what's in this box. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that. Right. If you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm box, and to hang out with Dutters, Cat Velasquez, and try desperately not to fall in love, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get into this box. So the first item in the box is the card here, which has the theme, which is Make Waves, and on the back it has all the items and the prices and the information, which we'll put to the side because I want to be surprised with you right now. And now let's get into the actual items. The first one I see right here is a big one that I'm so sad about because I can't use it. This is, wait, can I use GlamGlow? Wait, hold that. So this item here, it retails for $28. It is by GlamGlow and it is their bubbling cleanser. It's a face cleanser that gets very, very bubbly, and it is called their Gentlebubble TM trademark. How cool is this packaging? I love it. GlamGlow, I can't remember, but I think that they are not cruelty free, and if that's the case I won't be able to use this and I'll have to gift it to my mother, but I will list down below everything that is and is not cruelty free. I'll put a little next to it so you know. But if that's not a concern for you, 28 bucks for this, that's a pretty good deal. GlamGlow is a good brand that a lot of people covet, and it's not inexpensive, you know what I mean? So if you just wanted this, you could get the box and get a discount on this, since this is 28, the box is 21 to 23. So just a thought. I think that's a pretty cool thing to get in the box. Hopefully I can use it. I really can't remember. Can't get over how rough I'm looking today. It is been a long day. It has been a long day. This makeup has been on for 12 or 13 hours, something like that. I don't even know. Longer, I think. It's been a long day. I worked an 8-hour shift. Yeah. Alright, the next item we have here is from Ciate. I haven't tried a lot from Ciate. Well, Ciate London. I have tried some stuff though, and this is their Lustre Creme eyeshadow, and it retails for $22. Let's check out the shade and see what we're working with here, huh? This is the shade Cupid, by the way. The name is on the little box. And this looks like magic. On camera it's pulling really pink and purple, which it is in person also, but it's got a lot of like white glitter in it. Okay, let's do a swatch. Ooh, I like the paddle. Oh, that's like very reflective, and it looks more pinky champagne when it's on the skin. Let's put it on my eyeballs because I cannot wait. That's what I cannot do. All right, got my mirror. Please ignore it because it's disgusting, and let's just smear a little bit on the eye here. Oh, now I put too much. Ooh, that's pretty. When you spread it out with your finger to get like a nice wash of glitter on the lid. Ooh, we'll have to see how it dries down. Let's do like a thicker layer on this side so we can kind of see what we're working with. Okay, yeah, when you really lay it on there, you get a lot of that pink and purple base, but ooh, that's very, very pretty. It seems to be drying down. I like it. And again, this is from Ciate, London, and it retails for $22. And again, I will put down below what's cruelty-free and what is not. Okay, I added a little more to this eye, blended this one out a little bit, and tried to make them at least look even so I didn't look insane for the rest of this video. Ooh, but look at that. I still can't believe how pretty that is. Let's move on. Okay, so this next item is from the brand Bodyography, and it retails for $14. It is their, wait, what is their actual name? Eyeliner pencil. So this is their eyeliner pencil in the shade Midnight Blue. Let's check it out. It's a wooden pencil, and let's do a little swatch here. That is a really pretty color. I did have to go over it a couple times, but I don't use a lot of pencil liner anyway. If anything, I would light it with a lighter, kind of let it cool off, and then go in with it, because that's what I do, or what I have done in the past when it comes to pencil liners, but that's the shade there. And again, it retails for $14. It's the shade Midnight Blue by Bodyography. Sorry I sound so lizardy like usual, but this is what I sound like. Alright, the next thing in the Okay, the next thing in the box is something I'm really excited for because it's something I've wanted to try for a while but never picked up, and now I have it here. This is from the brand Dose of Colors. It retails for $18 and it's one of their liquid lipsticks. I've never, to this day, tried a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Look at the component. I love how it's like this matte, clear case with the color inside and now glitter all over it from that eyeshadow. This is in the shade Merlot. Let's pop this on because I need to see it. I've waited so long to try one of these, and this is a color that's right up my alley. Let's pretend I'm not disgusting. Packing material from Boxycharm. I'm looking a bit rough. I do see that when I'm this close to you guys, so I apologize. Let's try this on now. Oh, come on. That is such a good red. Ooh. Oh wow, they smell exactly like the soft matte lip creams from NYX. Well, I'm just covered in red lipstick, aren't I? Good thing I'm not wearing a white sweater or anything. So this is the shade Merlot by Dose of Colors. I'm really, really happy with the color. It is getting all over my teeth though. It is a liquid to matte formula, which I don't love. Oh my god. Which I do not love recently, but I've heard from the grapevine that this is one of the more comfortable liquid to matte formulas, so fingers crossed. I'll let you know at the end how it's feeling, but this is a cruelty-free product. Yay for me. And it retails for $18. So it's almost the price of the box. Okay, and the last item in the box is probably the thing I'm most excited for. I did see a spoiler on this. Sorry, but oh my gosh. So this is from Alamar Cosmetics. It is their Colorette, listen, it is their Colorette Blush Trio, and oh my goodness, oh my gosh, wait. This retails for $22 and it is in the shade Fair Light. I think there are 3 different blush palettes. I'm so happy I got this. I'm so happy I got my shade. Let's put a shade on. Let's go with the one in the center and put it on my face. I have been extremely into blush recently, which I feel like I've already mentioned, but if you are new or if you weren't listening before, I'm extremely into blush, so this is very exciting for me. Let's just go ahead and... Ooh, it's a little powdery. Let's add some blush. Oh yeah. Oh, that's such a cute little color. I like blush on the tip of my nose, what can I say? Okay, so now that we are sufficiently blushed, I am so excited. I am going to be using this tomorrow and probably every day for a while because it is stunning. I have lipstick all over my face. We're getting to the point where this video has to wind up. Wind down, finish, look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so the overall value of the box this month is $104 and we paid $21. And out of everything we got, I like everything. The only thing I'm not sure about is the eyeliner, but I would be willing to try it because I really like the shade. I just don't use a lot of pencil liners that often anymore. It's not my journey, but I will try it because that shade is stunning. And look at that eyeshadow. And look at this lip, speaking of which. Transfer proof. It feels like a liquid lip, but it doesn't feel incredibly dry and it doesn't feel crocky. It kind of feels like flex, like it's moving with your lips instead of just falling into your lines and crusting up and feeling tight on your lips. I think I could probably get away with wearing this one. It would probably be good for shows in case I'm like smacked in the face so that it doesn't smear everywhere. So anyways, that's going to complete this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, make sure to smash that subscribe button and become part of the Brat Pack before you leave and join my family of friends. Hello, good friends. I have a really good group here. And if you want to enter that giveaway, make sure to watch the video that will be linked on the side right here along with another one in case you wanted to binge me. And if you click on my face over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. I think you should do this. I think this is a good idea. Give it a like if you liked it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.